Dear students, I hope you are fine. This is Emmanuel Anthony and you are watching my YouTube channel English as a Second Language in Pakistan. In this video lecture number 35, we are going to discuss the novel Goodbye Mr. Chips, which is part of Intermediate Part 2 syllabus. This video lecture is on chapter number 6. From chapter number 6, we are going to read some text from page number 15. This is the last part of the chapter, and the lines we are going to discuss today are from 13 to 28. As I read the text for you, I'll be explaining you the events, the difficult words. I'll also be providing you the synonyms. I hope you'll enjoy the lesson. Let us read together. Since last year, when old Gribble is name of a person, retired. He is the school butler. School butler? Butler is a profession, is a cook who cooks something for someone. So, Mr. Gribble was the chef in the school hostel. There hasn't been anyone here who ever saw my wife. Mr. Chips tells that soldier that the last person who talked about my life, the last person at Brookfield who remembered about my wife was the butler of the school. But he also retired previously. She died. You know, less than a year after your visit. Mr. Chips now sadly tells that soldier that after your visit, before a year had passed, she died. We'll come to know later in later chapters that she died in childbirth. They stayed only for a year or two together. It wasn't a long period. And Mr. Chips became sad. He tells him that she died in 98. By 98 here we mean 1898. I am really sorry. I am really sorry to hear that. Here is written in full here. In the book you will find this word written like this. Anyhow, there's 2 or 3 of my Paul's friends. Anyhow, who remember her clear as anything. The soldier tells Mr. Chips that I am not the only person who remembers that wonderful woman. There are other people too who have been part of that football team and they remember her good behavior as well. Though we did only see her that worst, that time, that moment. That was the only time in our life we met that wonderful woman. She must have been very nice to this team of football team. So nice that they were never able to forget that nice soul. Yes, we remember her all right. He confirms that we remember her very well. I'm very glad. That was a grand day we all had and a fine game too. The soldier tells him, it is not mentioned here, this sentence is said by the soldier or goodbye or Mr. Chips. So anyhow, this sentence says that I was very happy and that time was the most memorable time of my life. One of the best days that I ever had in my life. Wish it was then and not now. Now is an expression of sadness. Straight, I do. I'm off to. Off to means I'm going to. Off to is a phrasal verb. It means that I'm going to. I'm heading to. I'm off to France tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to France for my duty. A month or so later, Chips heard that he had been killed at Passchendaele. Passchendaele is written in capital, so it is name of a place in France. the soldier who came to see Mr. Chips, who talked about his wife, he died in Passchendaele in the days to come. This was for today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. In this video lecture, chapter 6 ends. In the next video lesson will be starting on page number 16, chapter 7. Have a very nice day. Thank you.